There's many ways to enhance the images on your layouts in Memento. Borders, shadows, filter effects, gradients and masks. To apply a mask, simply select the photo, then go to Gradients and Masks. Use the drop-down menu to select one of the provided masks. Memento ships with a collection of marker, paint, and sponge frames. Use a mask on a shape and place it under your image for a more dramatic effect. You can also easily add your own personal masks. To do so, create a shape in your favorite graphic software on a transparent layer and save it as a PNG file. Back in Memento, choose Import Custom Mask and point to the folder where your PNG files are located. Then choose it in the secondary drop-down menu.